Hi guys, so are you ready to draw with me today? So today we will be drawing a kiwi bird. So let's get started. And if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon to get a video every single day, because I release a video for you every single day. And along the way while I draw, I will give you some fun facts about what I draw as well. So today I will be giving you some fun facts about this cute bird, the kiwi bird, from the website rainbowsprings.co.nz. Kiwi is very popular and known as the New Zealand bird. So it is a New Zealand website that I'm reading here. And apparently they do have tiny wings, but they cannot fly. So if you would like to request something for me to draw for next time, please let me know in the comments below so I can draw it for you for next time. And if you want to connect with me through other social media as well, all my information is in the description box below, along with a lot of other information, so check it out. So going back to the drawing, you can see I'm drawing the legs of the kiwi bird now. Their legs are, they look very strong compared to the body. It's a tiny bird and they have, it looks like they have a strong set of legs. Apparently they do have loose feathers that are more like fur, and unlike other birds, the feathers mold throughout the ear. And it is the only bird in the world with nostrils at the end of the beaks. So its sense of smell is second to none. It has no tail feathers, but does have whiskers like a cat. So it's an unusual bird. It has marrow in the bones, just like a human. Very unusually, females have 2 ovaries. Most birds have only 1. Interesting. And kiwis are omnivorous, and although worms form a major part of their diet, they will also readily eat woodlice, millipedes, centipedes, slugs, snails, spiders, insects, seeds, berries, and plant material as well. And at night, and probe into the ground with their bill up to a depth of 12 centimeters. They have big ear openings, which provides a very good sense of hearing, and the long graceful whiskers and sensitive bill help it locate food in the soil and leaf litter. And even their chicks are very instinctive feeders and are not taught by parent bird to forage for food, unlike other birds. They have one of the largest egg to body weight ratios of any bird. The egg average 15% of the female's body weight, compared to 2% of the ostrich. Incubation is done by the male and can take anything from 74 to 90 days. And kiwis are mostly nocturnal. That means they come out of their burrows after nightfall to forage for insects and grubs. So you can see now the bird is almost done. There are very small cute little birds, so it's not that hard to draw one. It's a round belly and a long beak and some strong looking legs. So now we'll go into coloring. It's mostly brown and black color as I see all the pictures to be. So that's what I'm gonna add. So I'm not gonna spend a lot of time coloring it just so that it looks nice. And I will show you the full color drawing as well just in a bit. But to give you a little more information about this bird, kiwi are long-lived and depending on the species live for between 25 and 50 years old. All of the kiwi held on site means Rainbow Springs National Park website is the website that I'm reading. And they are monitored closely by a dedicated team of husbandry staff. So those are some of the fun facts that I found. Kiwi bird is very cute, I find. So if you know a fun fact that you would like to share, please let me know in the comments below, or if you have anything to add to this, and any interesting facts that you want to add or learn about. If you want the website, I will let you know the website again. It's rainbowsprings.co.nz. That was the website that I was reading, but there are a lot of information to learn about if you want and are interested. So you can see I added a lot of brown and the beak area and around the mouth and the legs are kind of like a pale beige as well, so that's why I'm adding in a little bit of pink, and I'll show you shortly how it all looks. So I'm gonna add a little bit of black as well, just in between, just to give it that strong feather look. But I will show you how I colored it. So now that I showed you how I colored all the areas, this is the full color drawing of the kiwi bird. So I hope you like it, and if you do, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for me. And if you would like to buy products with this on, check out my Redbubble shop link in the description box below for products. I have a lot of products in there, and now Redbubble has caps, mouse pads, and other things like that as well. So check it out. And I put some next videos for you to check out next, including the bird playlist. I have a lot of birds that I drew over the past year or so. So check it out, and don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every single day to you and request something if you want me to draw, and hope you have a great day. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.